Good day everyone. We are group number 3 from BSIS 4G. And today we're going to discuss the topic a study of AI integration in customer service channels. So here are the members of group number 3. Me, Romarate Alan Joseph as a reporter together with Domingo Vladimir, my co-reporter, and our group mates Porcadilla Andrea and Amistoso Angelo. Let's start. Good day, everyone. Today I will be presenting a study of AI integration in customer service channel. So AI is transforming customer service by improving efficiency, reducing response times, and enhancing customer satisfaction. So many businesses today are adopting in AI-powered tools like um, chatbots, uh, virtual assistants, and um, sentiments analysis um, to cater the customer interaction. So in this presentation, we'll explore the role, um, the benefits, the challenges, and the real-world application of AI-powered tools. So let's start with the role of AI, AI in customer service. So the first one is chatbots and virtual assistants. So these AI tools provide instant response and guide customers through common issues. For example, when you visit and a website and a windows or a chat windows pop up to assist you, that actually AI that assisting you. So another example and is when you visit a shop in Shopee or Lazada and you you message them, then an AI generated response um, um, is um, is give is give to you. So the next one is the natural language processing. So this technology allows AI to understand and process customer um, needs um, in multiple languages. So it improves the global customer support of the companies. So the next one is so AI also helps in predictive analytics. So AI can analyze and um, AI can analyze past customer interaction to predict future needs, allowing business to offer personalized services. So, for example, um, when you buy, we say, um, cell phone accessories on Shopee or Lazada, then after you open again the application, the recommendation usually related to the iPhone, ay, to the phone accessories that you bought earlier. So the next one is the generative AI. So this assists the customer service agents by suggesting responses in real time. So it improves accuracy and speeding up in resolving um, conflict in customer services.
Now let's proceed to the benefits of an AI in customer service. As you can see, we have three bullets here. So the first one is improve efficiency. Here in improve efficiency, the company benefits from AI to improve their efficiency, especially in the task in the work. For example, there's a lot of tasks the company gave to their employees. So the employee can ask the help in AI, so they can improve their efficiency in terms of doing a task, because the AI can, can handle the repetitive task. And the next one is cost reduction. So nowadays in our generation, almost all the company using AI. So the company has save a lot of money, because instead the human can assist them, they going to need they going to AI to assist them, so they don't need to pay a money for the human to assist them, because there's an AI can help them. And the third one is enhance customer satisfaction. Especially in this bullet, I give an example to why the AI can help the customer service to improve the customer satisfaction. For example, in the platforms like Shopee, Lazada, or Amazon, if their store has a lot of products, so the customer will search the product. For example, the customer want a t-shirt or cologne, so the customer will search in the search bar of the platforms like Shopee their products they want. So if they search it, so there's a lot of products show. So in these methods, the customer and satisfy to the company, because once the AI search about related to the customers product they search or they want, there's a lot of product showed, so the customer will have a choice to pick which product he want to buy. So the last one is support for agent. So here is the last one in support for agent. AI can also, here in the support for the agent, the AI can support the company, especially if there's a lot of urgent happening in the company. The AI can help if there's a problem. So they ask to the AI what they will do. So the AI will give them a tip or step of how they handle it. So it make it easier for the company, because they have a support from AI. So that's why the customer service is benefit from AI.
So in conclusion, AI is transforming customer services by improving efficiency, reducing costs, and enhancing customer satisfaction. But while AI is helping many company, it cannot fully replace the human resources. So especially when dealing with complex or difficult issues. So the futures suggests to use um, both the AI technology while maintaining the human agents because um, it provided company the provided company to handle small routine tasks while um, also have a solution in handling complex and difficult tasks.